Sup witches, this is Eisen. Today I'm talking about the eyebrow product that I've been using. So it's made out of the voluminous red frickin' L'Oreal, whatever the hell it is. I can't show you that product as it's fallen behind the shelf. All that was dried out and just completely freaking unusable, and I don't use mascara anyways except for, to take away the foundation on my facial hair. So I just decided to pull it all out and frickin' put it into this and sprinkle some of this on it, and that's supposed to make eyeliner out of whatever you put it on, which is generally eyeshadow. Just want to show you how to do this first of all. So you're going to have to pop the trunk on the mascara. So you'll either need scissors or a knife, and you're going to frickin' do that, or stick it in there and take it all the way off, and stick some in there that actually fits, get pretty much all the stuff off of, scrape it into the jar, and then basically just put some of this on it, but not a whole lot, just in drips, right? And mix it around with the eyebrow brush, and if you bump this, it can't get taken off by the hand. If you didn't wash your face with face wash, then you just would be having this stuff on for 3 freaking days or something like that. And yeah, I highly recommend doing this if you got an old mascara, straight up, because this stuff does not come off. Once that dries, you will be 100% set. And it's actually not all that hard to apply. I'm used to a much wigglier, less permanent petroleum and powder, but once I got used to this, it was pretty easy to get used to. The original mascara amount, you can figure it was frickin' 4 or 5 grams or something like that. And we're down to this after only a couple months or something like that. And this is what it looks like. Yeah, highly recommend this. If you got old mascara, do this. You will not have old mascara anymore. This is the best tip I could possibly give. But generally I would use the eyeshadow and petroleum. So squeak, that's about it. Wiggle your tongue, eyes out.